Hello and welcome to Brainetainment, your go-to channel for all things health, science and more. Here at Brainetainment, we strive to provide you with engaging, enlightening, and most importantly, scientifically accurate content that can help you navigate the fascinating complexities of the human body. Today, we're turning our focus to a topic that touches on the intersection of endocrinology, fitness, and sexuality. We're going to explore the key player in our bodies that has a major say in sex, fat, and weight loss. Yes, we're talking about a particular gland, an unsung hero of our endocrine system that's quietly working behind the scenes, orchestrating a myriad of biological processes. Its influence is profound, affecting everything from our metabolic rate to our libido. Intrigued you should be, so buckle up as we dive into the fascinating world of endocrinology. Before we get into specifics, it's important to understand the endocrine system. This complex network within our bodies is often referred to as the body's internal messaging service. Its primary function is to maintain balance or homeostasis within our bodies, much like a maestro conducts an orchestra, ensuring each instrument plays in harmony. The endocrine system consists of a multitude of glands, each secreting hormones directly into our bloodstream. These hormones act as messengers, communicating between different parts of the body and regulating various bodily functions. They play a pivotal role in controlling our mood, growth, development, metabolism, and yes, you guessed it, sexual function. Imagine these hormones as keys and our body's cells as the locks. When a hormone reaches a cell with the right lock, it unlocks the cell, triggering specific responses and changes within. This complex interaction ensures our bodies function efficiently and effectively. One major player in the endocrine symphony is the metabolism. The thyroid gland, for instance, secretes hormones that regulate metabolic rate, affecting how quickly or slowly your body converts food into energy. This is crucial in managing your weight. And let's not forget the pivotal role the endocrine system plays in sexual function. Hormones such as testosterone and estrogen, secreted by the gonads, drive sexual development and function. They regulate everything from your libido to your body's ability to conceive a child. But the endocrine system isn't just about individual glands working in isolation. It's about a concerted effort, a harmonious performance where each gland plays its part in the grand symphony of your body. It's a delicate balance, and when this balance is disrupted, it can lead to a variety of health issues, including hormonal imbalances that can affect your weight and sexual health. Now that we have a basic understanding of the endocrine system, let's delve into the gland that's our main focus today. Meet the pituitary gland, often called the master gland. Nestled comfortably at the base of your brain, this tiny yet mighty organ is about the size of a pea. Don't let its diminutive size fool you, though. It's a powerhouse of biological control, holding the reins to a multitude of bodily functions. The pituitary gland is divided into two major parts, the anterior and posterior. Each part secretes different hormones with distinct functions, making this gland a key player in your body's endocrine orchestra. The anterior pituitary is like the conductor, releasing hormones that regulate several other glands. It produces growth hormone, which, as the name suggests, is responsible for growth and development. It also produces thyroid-stimulating hormone, orchestrating the thyroid gland's control of our metabolism. Then, we have the hormones that control our reproductive systems, luteinizing hormone and follicle-stimulating hormone. These hormones are responsible for the regulation of sex organs in both males and females. It's like the pituitary gland is the director of a complex biological symphony, ensuring every instrument, or in this case gland, is playing its part correctly. The posterior pituitary, on the other hand, stores and releases two crucial hormones: oxytocin, which plays a role in social bonding and childbirth, and vasopressin, which helps regulate water balance in the body. All these hormones, working in harmony, regulate various functions of the body, including growth, metabolism, and sexual function. It's like a finely tuned machine, with the pituitary gland at the helm, ensuring everything runs smoothly. But the pituitary gland isn't just about control, it's also about balance. It responds to the body's needs, adjusting hormone production as necessary. Too much or too little of these hormones can lead to a variety of health problems. It's fascinating, isn't it? But how exactly does the pituitary gland control sex, fat, and weight loss? The pituitary gland may be small, but it's mighty when it comes to controlling sex, fat, and weight loss. Let's dive into the nitty-gritty of this. The pituitary gland, often referred to as the master gland, is responsible for releasing hormones that play a vital role in our bodies. One of these hormones is the growth hormone, which, among other things, influences our body's fat distribution and metabolism. This hormone triggers the liver to break down fat and helps to regulate our blood sugar levels, playing a pivotal role in weight control. But what about sex, you ask? Well, the pituitary gland also produces hormones that control sexual function. For men, it releases the luteinizing hormone, which signals the testes to produce testosterone. For women, the same hormone triggers ovulation and the production of estrogen and progesterone. These hormones not only regulate sexual function, but also influence body fat distribution and muscle growth, contributing to our overall body composition. Now let's flip the coin and see what happens when things go awry. Suppose there's an imbalance in these hormones, such as an overproduction or underproduction. In that case, it can lead to health issues like obesity, sexual dysfunction, and weight gain. For instance, an excess of the growth hormone can cause gigantism in children or acromegaly in adults, both of which are characterized by abnormal growth of the hands, feet, and face. On the other hand, a deficiency of the growth hormone can lead to short stature in children and increased body fat in adults. Similarly, an imbalance in the luteinizing hormone can result in infertility, irregular menstrual cycles in women, and low testosterone levels in men, which can lead to decreased muscle mass, increased body fat, and sexual dysfunction. It's clear that our little pituitary gland is doing a lot of heavy lifting. It's not just about height or weight, but also about our sexual health and overall well-being. This tiny gland is working round the clock, ensuring our bodies function in harmony. However, it's important to remember that maintaining a healthy pituitary gland isn't just about balancing hormones. A healthy lifestyle, including proper nutrition and regular exercise, can significantly influence the function of this important gland. After all, our bodies are intricate machines, each part relying on the other to run smoothly. So the next time you're wondering about the secret to a healthy sex life or how to effectively manage your weight, remember the mighty pituitary gland. It's the silent puppeteer, pulling the strings behind the scenes, orchestrating a symphony of hormones that keep us ticking. In summary, the pituitary gland, though small in size, carries a big responsibility. It's the unsung hero of our endocrine system, orchestrating a hormonal balance that influences everything from our sex drive to our body fat and weight. So you see, the pituitary gland plays a crucial role in maintaining our overall health. We've covered a lot of ground today, so let's quickly summarize. We embarked on a fascinating journey through the intricate workings of our body, specifically focusing on the endocrine system. This complex network of glands and hormones performs a plethora of essential tasks, from controlling metabolism to regulating growth and development. Among the key players in the endocrine system, we spotlighted the pituitary gland, often dubbed the master gland. Despite its small size, it holds the reins of some of the most vital functions in our bodies. Nestled at the base of the brain, this pea-sized powerhouse dispatches hormones to other glands, guiding their hormone production. We then delved deeper into the specific roles of the pituitary gland, particularly its influence over sex, fat, and weight loss. We discovered how the hormones it secretes play a crucial role in regulating our sexual functions. Its hormones not only facilitate the development of sexual organs and characteristics during puberty, but also ensure the healthy functioning of these organs in adulthood. The pituitary gland's influence extends to our body's fat storage and weight management as well. It secretes hormones that control the breakdown of fats and carbohydrates in the body, thereby influencing our weight. It also impacts our hunger signals and energy use, subtly steering our eating habits and physical activity levels. So it's safe to say the pituitary gland wears many hats. Understanding its roles can help us better appreciate the intricate symphony of processes that keep our bodies functioning optimally. Moreover, it underscores the importance of maintaining a healthy lifestyle for supporting our endocrine system, particularly the pituitary gland. And that's a wrap on today's episode of Brainetainment. Don't forget to subscribe so you don't miss out on future videos. Thanks for watching.